friends. Since this is a quarantine period, I hope you are well. Now, to use this period productively, I am going to start a lecture series in mathematics on NetSet exam. So this is NetSet mathematics lecture series. This is my lecture 1. I am Mr. Pratmesh Upakar. I am teaching in Anna Lila College of Commerce and Economics. So let us begin with our lecture. In this lecture, we are going to cover what is annihilating polynomial of a matrix, what is characteristic polynomial of a matrix, and what is minimal polynomial of matrix. So let us begin with our lecture. So consider a polynomial p of x. So let me take a pointer. So what is p of x? a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus an x raised to n. Be any polynomial. Then we will find corresponding matrix polynomial. This constant coefficient here will multiplied with I will replace all the x with a. Then we will get a polynomial p of a as a0i plus a1a plus a2a square plus an x raised to n, an a raised to n. Now the question arises, what is a annihilating polynomial? So any polynomial which satisfies the equation p of a is equal to 0 is called its annihilating polynomial. Note that this annihilating polynomial is not unique polynomial. We can have multiple annihilating polynomial of a matrix, and the set of all the annihilating polynomial will form a ring. This ring is called annihilating polynomial ring. Okay, so let us move further. Now what is characteristic polynomial? Characteristic polynomial, we all know it is determinant a minus xi is equal to 0. We all learn this concept in BSc, MSc, etc. This characteristic polynomial is also an annihilating polynomial. What else property it will satisfy? Yes, you guessed it right. We have learned a very famous Cayley-Hamilton theorem which says that every matrix satisfies its own characteristic polynomial. So this will become also an annihilating polynomial of a matrix. But what's special over here? The speciality is annihilating polynomial does not give you any eigenvalue of matrix. It may or may not give you. But characteristic polynomial, the roots of characteristic polynomial will give you the eigenvalues of a matrix. And it covers all the eigenvalues. Okay. The degree of characteristic polynomial is equal to the what it is equal to? Size of a matrix. Yes, correct. Now what is minimal polynomial? It is a smallest non-zero polynomial which satisfies the equation p of a is equal to 0. Means it is also an annihilating polynomial. In fact, it is a smallest annihilating polynomial of a matrix. Like characteristic polynomial, minimal polynomial also covers all the eigenvalues of a matrix. Okay. And as I know, there is a special property of this minimal polynomial. Being the smallest, it will generate the ring of annihilating polynomial. What does it mean? Minimal polynomial always divides any other annihilating polynomial. So let us solve the example so that this concept will become clear. Okay, this is a NetSet question. Let A belongs to M3R. What is M3R? Yes, it is a space of matrix 3 by 3 matrix with coefficients in R. A satisfies A not equal to 3i and A minus A cube minus 27i is equal to 0. So what is given over here, this is called as annihilating polynomial. We always take this to be a annihilating polynomial. Then which of the following are true or false? Okay, we have given a 4 option. First option says minimal polynomial is equal to x square plus 3x plus 9. Second says characteristic polynomial is not equal to minimal polynomial. Third option says determinant of a is equal to 27, and last option says no such matrix exists. So let us solve this question. Okay, what is given? It is an annihilating polynomial. We'll split this polynomial. This factorization of this second degree polynomial is not further possible because we are stuck in real field. Okay, so these roots will give you complex roots, so we cannot split it further. We'll stop over here. Now there are various cases for the minimal polynomial. As we learned, minimal polynomial will divide the annihilating polynomial. So what are the possibilities? What are the divisor of a cube minus 27i? One possibility is a minus 3i. Okay. Second possibility is a square plus 3a plus 9. And third possibility is whole of this, a minus 3i into a square plus 3a plus 9. We will try this possibility one by one. Okay. So let us try to solve this. I will take pen. If this is a minimal polynomial, what you will get? A is equal to 3 times I. What does it mean? We have already given a is not equal to 3i, so we cannot consider this case, because in this case if we take this as a minimal polynomial, then we will get a is equal to 3i. Okay, so this case is vanished. Now let us see second case. Okay, now I have written second case is also false. Now let us find the reason why it is false. If you solve this equation, you will get eigenvalues is equal to 3 times omega or 3 times omega square. Since minimal polynomial covers all the eigenvalues, these two eigenvalues are complex. Note that your matrix is order 3 matrix. Okay, so it will have 3 eigenvalues, but it says only these 2 eigenvalues possible. What does it mean? It means one of the eigenvalue is repeated. But if we repeat this eigenvalue, we will have matrix all the eigenvalues complex, all 3 eigenvalues complex, which is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because when you solve the characteristic equation of 3 order matrix, it will be third degree equation. Okay, coefficient are all real. Now any real polynomial with 3 degree will have 2 cases only. Either all its root are real, or there will be one real root and other 2 roots are complex conjugate. Only these 2 possibilities are there, because real polynomial, when it has complex root, it always appeared as a conjugate pair. Okay, therefore we cannot take this possibility, because in this possibility we will get 3 complex root, which is not possible. Therefore we have left with only case which must be true. So we get minimal polynomial to be equal to a minus 3i into a square plus 3a plus 9, which is equal to a cube minus 27i. Okay, so let us take it further, come back to a question. Now this will equal to your minimal polynomial as well as annihilating polynomial of a matrix. Okay, now let us discuss the case. So since it is degree 3, highest degree coefficient is 1, you can treat this as characteristic polynomial. This is a special case. In general, solving this kind of example, you always take this type of equation to be annihilating polynomial. Now let us see the option. Since this to be true, we will get a cube equal to 27i. Okay, since a cube is equal to 27i, apply determinant on both the side. what you will get? Determinant of a brackets cube is equal to determinant of 27i. 27i का determinant क्या होगा? 27, 27, 27 is a diagonal element, then it will be 27 cube. दोनों तरफ cube root ले लो. What you will get? Determinant of a is equal to 27. Let me erase whatever I have drawn. Okay. Now come back to the other option. We will create a matrix which satisfy this equation. Remember, what is the characteristic polynomial you got? A minus 3i into a square plus 3a plus 9. Okay. So let us solve this entry. Since 3 is the eigenvalue, because it is a root of characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial, it is, in this case it is the same, so b you can straight out rule. So 3 you will get as one block. Now there will be 2 cross 2 block corresponding to this equation, x square plus 3x plus 9, because we got this as another factor of characteristic polynomial. So how to create a matrix 2 by 2 matrix with this minimal polynomial? We want trace to be equal to minus 3 and determinant to be equal to plus 9. So how to create it? Let first kind of trace equal to minus 3, so we will get diagonal element minus 3 0, so that trace will be equal to minus 3. Now we want determinant to be equal to 9. Remember, what is determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? AD minus BC. Here AD is equal to 0 मिल गया, so BC का प्रोडक्ट कितना आना चाहिए? 9 आना चाहिए. So I will take the matrix like this. So minus 9, so minus minus will get cancelled, will get determinant equal to 9, trace is equal to minus 3. Your exercise will be, this block matrix will form like this block 3 by 3 matrix. You check that this satisfy the given equation, a cube minus 27i is equal to 0. Let us cover the remaining element to be equal to 0. Okay. So this particular gives you such matrix exists. So D is wrong. We have already discussed this case. Characteristic polynomial is equal to minimal polynomial, and that characteristic polynomial is nothing but a cube minus 27i. Therefore this case is also wrong. So only answer correct is determinant of a is equal to 27. So friends, how do you like it? Thank you for watching my video. You can message me, mail me. Okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.